How loud is my fan? Turn your damn microphone down.
Holy fuck!
Turn that down.
Now!
Off it now.
Anyone hear my fans?
What?
You hear my PC fan?
Nah, man. Yeah, but I can hear heaps. Thanks, man. Ow! That's so loud.
What do you mean fucking ow?
This is what it's gonna sound like at my party.
Get the hammer. Sorry.
Oh mate, it's alright, I fixed it. Because this was gonna sound at Bro's party. Da 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 na 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 na. No, you saying ow.
It's loud. That's not me. Bro, you can stop yelling now. It's really getting above the... Sam, can you turn your microphone down? It's that loud.
I know you're not talking!
Nah, cause I
This is actually genuinely having too much fun, man.
It's hurting my own ears. Wait.
Oh no, I jump real quick. Jump, I wanna hear it.
I can't hear what you're saying above my own voice, by the way.
Jump! I wanna hear the sound it makes. Holy fuck!
Alright, jump, you ready?
Yep.
Yeah, man, Joe, that's so funny. Everyone laughed at that one.
Wait.